We lost his trail.
Who are you?
Give up yourself, the place is surrounded.
I am hungry. Thank you. Don't leave me alone.
Don't worry.
Wow, that's such a gorgeous house.
We got intel on his location.
We're drawing up a plan to arrest him.
Oh boy, what did you do, little man? Take off those goofy clothes and wear this instead.
I stole this toy from his pocket.
I will not steal again.
I'm so proud of you. This is just a small gift from a grateful.
How much for these balls? I use them for my street show. Wow, that's some tasty pasta.
Yummy, yummy!
We've got eyes on the suspect. Send a team to the restaurant immediately.
Surrender now!
No! Leave him, please! That was a scary dream. He saved me. I will save him.
Why is that kid sleeping out here all by himself?
Oh. It's the same kid. We'll take him home with us. Go on, honey, eat your food.
Yahoo!
Ah!
Oh, God, please, no. Please, no. My son, answer me. Can you hear me?
I'm sorry, we lost him.
No! I miss him. He was strong. See you later. I will be strong just like him. I will eat the cornflakes.
Hey, help! That's him. I want to report the guy in the picture. He's right in front of me right now.
Okay, we'll move quickly.
Surrender now!
Let me go! Let me go!
You did great.
This is for your outstanding service.
Oh, Lord, I'm so proud I could cry.
I'm gonna get the money reward.
Sweetheart, my brave hero.
You've been released.
By our boss.
I don't believe you saved me.
Goodbye, Baba. Let's make cookies. Don't escape! No! Mom! Where did I see this lady before? I remember. She is the thief who killed my mother. She will hurt me if I speak. Wow, I look so elegant. Daddy, look at me.
Here is your bag.
Why my bag so heavy? I like studying. Who broke my mom's photo.
Back off! You're not getting any food!
Are you studying? Don't give up, my baby.
I won't give up. I will study.
He slept early.
Yes, I succeeded. Now I can study. I should eat before she wakes up.
Get lost! You're not getting any food.
I will become stronger. Yes, I can answer. It only becomes impossible when you stop.
I need evidence about my mother's murder. Surrender yourself. You are under arrest for murder.
You wretch!
You wicked boy!
Those are her fingerprints. She is the one who killed my mother.
Forgive me and get me out of here, please.
You may rest in peace now, Mom. What did you do to my son?
What happened to the kid? Can I help?
Wait for me, please! We need to get to the emergency room, hurry!
Oh my god!
Please tell me which room I can find the sick child who just arrived.
He just entered the emergency room.
He will be fine, don't worry.
Wow, that sounded great, Pie.
What is your choice? What? I didn't do anything to hurt my son. I didn't do anything to hurt my son.
You tried to kill him.
My son, are you okay?
Stay away from me. You want to kill me.
No, my son, I didn't hurt you. Oh my God, my son.
You're scaring my son. Stay away from us. You're a criminal and you should go to jail.
She tried to kill the child. Over there. Arrest her.
No, I didn't do anything.
Oh my god, this is a disaster. Who gave you this sandwich?
My mom made it for me.
No one came to visit me.
Where's the ketchup? Go bring me my ketchup. Oh my god, the nails are in the bag.
Oh my God, my mother is innocent.
Go to hell and never come back.
Where is my son?
Your son is gone. I've searched for him everywhere. There's no sign of him.
My son has been missing for over 24 hours.
Stay away from me. You want to kill me. I'm starving.
A child has just arrived at the hospital.
Give me his description. Yeah, it's the same kid.
What? Did you find my child?
Your child is in the next room.
Oh my God, my son! My son, are you okay?
Mum, forgive me. I didn't believe you. I caused you to go to prison, and I hurt you.
It's okay, my dear son.
My son!
You should have stopped the prisoner from getting in and out of here. Send me an immediate unit to arrest the prisoner.
Stop, my mom is innocent.
Shut up, kid.
She's the criminal. She tried to kill me. I found the nails in her bag.
Surrender yourself.
This bag.